And now it's time for the mix. We'll talk about determination. A young kid, 7 years old, sings the Australian National Anthem.
Yeah.
Except he does it with hiccups. Take a listen.
What?
He didn't let the hiccups stop him. 250,000 hits watching this boy.
You nailed it. And you can see some of the players actually laughing, a little bit chuckling, but bravo to him.
You know what? He didn't walk off the field. Well done.
You did it. Congrats to him. All right. All right, so a little bit of sports and a lot of sort of hiccup, you might say. This one on the field during the Packers and the Vikings game. And take a look at who delays the game. Little Squirrel, little Rocky going for it right there.
Are they trying to put him in the bag?
He's going for the Gatorade. Joe Buck with the man beard.
Oh.
Great pad level.
Wow.
Great extension.
Did he get away?
3-0. Green Bay on top, covering it all.
Joe Buck covering it all there for us. He didn't get away. They did finally nab him, but it did create a little bit of a delay. And by the way, the Packers finally needed that streak of luck because they won the game finally.
So you credit the squirrel with...
The squirrel with, yes, yeah.
Okay. Remember when we did the guys on Segways to Justin Bieber's song, What Do You Mean? Well, there's a woman who may have topped them from North Korea.
Oh.
Look at her on a longboard, cruising around, and then she's dancing pretty gracefully. Look at that. Can you do that? Keep that board going while
impressive.
dancing? Yeah. And she can do this on concrete. She makes it look so insanely easy, doesn't she?
No doubt, she's in the north, right?
North Korea.
There'll be some film that we get from the north. Finally, they're loosening things up there, but very nice of her to do that. Okay, finally. This is perfectly for you. Your pumpkin has arrived. This is a pumpkin pie dessert that was created by a photographer.
Wow.
It is pretty cool. It features Italian merengue and also a nice crust. We found somebody who would love this.
Whoa!
Oh, boy.
That turned into Patty. You turned into Patty after eating this.
Yeah, exactly. You eat that pumpkin pie.
Whoa!